Hello traders, the year 2020 is almost over and I will share with you my year-end trading plan. These trades I will carry on for next year 2021, and I wish and I hope that you have a great 2020 trading year for you guys. I wish that you are very profitable on your trades. But before I start, here are the disclaimers. Risk disclaimer for forex trading. Trading foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. And this is my own disclaimer. This content is for information purposes only and should never be considered as a professional advice. Every investor has a different risk tolerance and goal. Always do your own research. All investments have risk. Risk only the money you are not afraid to lose. Okay guys, before we start, I just want to share with you one of the accounts that I am handling. I am trading, and this account is from one of my family members, and I do trade other people's account. So if they ask me to trade for them, then I'll say, okay, open an account under your name, then give me the password and anything I need to trade your account. Then this account started from 100 US dollars, and the leverage here is 100 to 1. And as you can see, I started trading this account on December 3rd, and the result is good as always, like how I trade my own account, because my main focus is to safeguard the capital first. Okay, my main focus is to keep the capital alive. Okay, I'm not focused on which indicator is better than the other. I'm not focused on which strategy to use. I have my own strategy. On my 4 years of trading, I developed a strategy which my mentors helped me to create. Okay, luckily I found some good mentors from the US and from UAE and from Australia, which have given me some advice. They did not give me the strategy or which indicator is best, but they have given me some advice which is really helpful. Okay, and I want to ask you guys, especially for the new traders, to study hard on trading, understand the market, because this is what my mentors told me before. They told me that for you to be able to be a successful trader or profitable trader, you need to understand the market that you are doing business with. Okay, because for me, trading the financial market, forex or stocks, for now I'm not trading any stocks. I am more on trading indices and CFDs. Okay, so you need to understand that business for you to be profitable. Okay, so on this account, like what I said, I started on $100. Okay, and I think I'm going to close this account next week, because the the person or the investor, he wants to take his profit together with his capital. That's okay, because I'm just taking a percentage of the profit above the capital. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have some losses. Okay, and then I have some profit also. But what you will see here is that I have profited more than what I lose, which is basically the main sense when you are trading. Okay, it doesn't matter if you lose, as long as you lose smaller than what you are profiting. Okay, so here I traded the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, that's what they call Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. Aussie Kiwi, because in my experience during the holidays, this currency is very volatile. Okay, same with the Euro USD, and then the GBP pairs. It's a very volatile during the holidays. Okay, guys. Okay, as you can see here, okay, what you will see here is that I have closed profit and loss, okay, closed P&L at 330 US dollars, okay, 330.35 US dollars. Okay, but I have still floating, okay, floating P&L, which is $62. So if you minus that 330 minus 62, so I have like around how much, 270, 269. Okay, that is still a profit above the 100. So 100 and that will be 300 plus the capital, so 329, something like that. Okay, guys, when you see here the summary of my trade this December on this account, okay, I want to show you this because my mentors before, they have mentioned this to me. Okay, for you to be a successful trader or a profitable trader, okay, you need to watch your drawdown. Okay, they did not told me find the perfect indicator or do like this, but they said you need to keep track or see or monitor your drawdown. So they said that your drawdown should be below, your drawdown should be 0.10 or below. That's it, not higher than that, for you to be a profitable trader. Any capital, okay, any amount of capital, when you see this report, your drawdown should be 0.10% and below. Do not go higher. If your drawdown is higher than that, it's like 11, 12, 13, 14, anything higher, then check your strategy again, back test your indicators, because there is like a growing problem in the long run when you're trading. Okay, so this one, guys, practice this one, because normally what is a drawdown? Drawdown is like an average of your losings. Okay, it's an average of your losings. Then eventually these losing trades will catch up with your profit and your capital. That's why you need to practice this, maintain this. Should be 10.10% and below. So for me, I passed my my maximal drawdown, or my drawdown percentage. It's 0.06. So that is like what I said, it's profitable enough. Okay, because I'm just sharing with you what my mentor said to me. Okay, if you want to be a profitable trader, you want to see if you are a profitable trader, keep monitor of your drawdown. Okay, guys, so here, as you can see, my gross profit is 428. That is for 1 month with a capital of 100 US dollars. So my gross loss is 98. So that is a very good percentage profit. Okay, so my total net profit is 330. That is still net. Okay, that is net, because I will see by next week. Okay, if the market will go with me, so I can still reduce my negative. Okay, because as you can see, the the Kiwi USD or the NCD USD, the price is now starting to go down, and the Euro USD also, the price is starting to go down. So if you go to your Euro USD NCD USD chart, you will see that the price is starting to go down. So even if I close this one by next week, by opening on Monday or Tuesday, okay, whatever my profit here, if it's negative, or it will not jump into negative 100 in one day. That is impossible. So let's say the total of this negative will become 100. So I lose 100 out of 330. So that's still okay, right? For the percentage wise, from the 100 USD, I will close around 230. And that's okay. That is still 200% profit. Okay, profit margin. Okay, so just imagine if I have a bigger capital. Just imagine 200%. So that is one part also I want to share with you. Always keep in mind that you are trading or calculate your profit on a percentage wise, not on a money wise, because that is like, when it's somebody, like when I was trading in UAE, in Dubai, and I get invited into some parties, you will hear this conversation about percentage. They will not say, oh, my profit is like 500,000 or 1 million. No, you will not hear that kind of conversation. It's always about the percentage, because business people, as you can see if you read business magazine, okay, they always discuss the percentage of your profit, okay, of your business. So you will not hear amount usually. So usually you will hear percentage. Okay, so let's go on. So short positions won by percentage, 88%. So let's say 89%. So 9 positions. Long positions won percentage wise, 69%. That's okay. And in 13 positions. So the total positions that I have taken on 1 month is 22. Okay, total is 22 positions. Okay, or 22 lots total. Okay, so my loss trades 5. Okay, in what is that, 5? Yes, 5. So loss trades minus 56, and again loss trade average. So largest profitable trade is 187, and loss trade largest is 56. Okay, as you can see, guys, that is the amount of my trade as per the summary. So my profit is always higher than my loss. So on an average profit trade 25.20, loss trade on an average it's $19.62. As you can see on the average also, so I'm averaging on my profit higher than my losses. Okay, consecutive wins maximum. So I have 10 consecutive wins, okay, which is amount of 305, and my maximum consecutive losses is two positions, okay, which is minus 41. So as you can see, guys, that is more than 200%, okay, on an average that I have profited against my losses. Okay, so maximal consecutive profit, again 305, consecutive loss count 1, which is 56. Okay, average consecutive wins 4, consecutive losses 1. So why am I sharing you this, guys? Because in this report, in this summary, you will see how profitable you are on your trades. So for example, in this last line here only, okay, one of the important one. So here you can see on an average you are winning 4 and you are losing 1 on an average. So in 1 month I have some losses, then I have some wins, but on an average I am winning 4 against 1. So 4 is to 1. So my risk reward ratio is, so it's like risking 1 and my reward is 4, which is my profit is 3, right? So it's like that. So if you are trying to learn or understand trading, your trade should be like this. Always, it always should be your wins is higher than your losses. Okay, it doesn't matter how much capital you have. Okay, it's how you manage your risk, you manage your money. Okay, because like what I said, trading is a business and you need to treat it as like this for you to be profitable. Okay, it's okay if you want to concentrate more on indicators or your strategy, but please think about the money that you are going to lose if you are not going to start learning on how to treat trading like a business. Okay guys, now guys, I will show you my live chart. Now it's not live because it's Saturday here in the Philippines. Okay, like what I said, I still have an open position in the Euro USD daily chart, but as you can see here, the price is starting to move down. Okay, I'm just waiting for this price to move past my sell, okay, position. Whatever I have here, whatever profit that I will take from here, then I will close the trade, because the investor, he wants to take his money by end of this month, December. So I will try and take as much as I can profit from this trade. Okay, to even if it's going to go up, it's okay, because as you can see here, this is what I like about the daily chart. I don't think that by Monday or by Tuesday the price will go against here, like what I said. So here, okay, that will not happen. Okay, or maybe there's some bank that they will put a lot of money on the euro. Okay, so let's see, that will push down the US dollar furthermore down. But during this season, this holiday season, okay, euro always will have a pullback before it goes on a rally again. But as you can see here, okay, I will show you, I always trade like this. So this is on 2018, okay, April 19, 2018, let's see, April 17, 2018, and that is the highest price there. Okay, that is what, almost 3 years ago. So that's a very, very far away price. So I think I'm safe there, no problem. In case the price, I will see Monday, Tuesday, if the price suddenly climbs up, which is I doubt that it will do it, then I will close the trade. It's still okay, it's no problem. Okay, that's the one reason I like about the daily chart. I am not stressed, and I don't have to, you know, sleep uncomfortably at night, and I will think that, oh my god, my stop loss is going to get hit, or my account will get burned. So that will be a nice sleep for me, guys. Okay, next, anyway guys, I will be showing you the majors only, the 4 major pairs. Okay, Euro USD, then the pound, okay, the pound USD chart. Okay, same thing here, almost at the end of the year, the pound is still going strong. When you put your trend lines, Let's see. Okay. And there is one tip that I can tell you guys. You know what I do with my trades. Okay, so pound and euro, they are both currencies of the European nations, right? So I just select one of them, which is I think more volatile on this time period. Then I trade one. So I could have traded this, okay, pound USD, but I have already the euro USD, so I don't want to trade two base currencies on the same, like in the same continent, same nation, because if the USD get volume, okay, then I will have a base currency which is pound and euro, okay, against the USD. So it's better that I have only one. Okay, I choose which one is the best, which one is have the better volatility, then I will trade that one. Okay, as you can see here, pound USD, it's on the triangle. Okay, next until next year, just see if this price will break through this trend line, which is the resistance, but I don't think so. Okay, I don't think so. Let's see. I cannot say, but usually the pound gets weaker. Okay, once the starts of the year is approaching, like the first week of January, or the third week of the third week of January. So it gets weaker once the year starts. So that's what I usually experience on this currency. Okay, guys. Next, we will do the wait, guys. I'm searching for the other major one. This one. Okay. USD Swiss franc. Okay, one of the major fours. So let's see here. So I'm always doing this one, guys. I'm always looking at the left side of the history of the chart and see what is going on. Then I will go on the lower time frames to see additional information. As you can see here, okay, I will show you on the daily chart, the price have reached its lowest price since since 2015, January 20. Okay, around that time period, 15 January 20. Okay, since January 20, 2015. Okay, as you can see, that is the lowest price. Okay, and here in the daily chart, you will see that the EMA is above the price, so the price is starting a pullback going up. But when you go to the hourly 4-hour chart, so the EMA is already down. Okay, the price already touched that EMA and started running up. Okay, now there is a resistance here which the price hit and then it went down again. So this will be your if you're going to trade this pair, okay, on the coming weeks, so your indicator of where the price will go is this resistance. So if this resistance is broken, then there's a big possibility that the price will continue up until the EMA is again touched here on the daily chart. So if the EMA is, for example, in the H4, the resistance is broken, the price goes up. Check your daily chart, and your exit will be, or your take profit will be, is that when the price touch this EMA. Okay, because there's a chance that the price will touch the EMA and then pull back down. There's also a big chance that the price will go through the EMA, and then this will be your take profit area, which is the support and now the resistance level. And for our last major pair is the USD Japanese yen. Okay, same thing with the USD Swiss franc. Okay, the USD is showing volume against these currencies, the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. That's why the price is going down. When here, you can see here, okay, same thing what is happening with the Swiss franc. The USD is starting to climb, okay, on our H4 or our 4-hour chart, and then the EMA is now becoming the support. As you can see here, the price touched the EMA, break through it, but went back up. Okay, so there is a higher probability that the price will continue, and your indicator of take profit is here on this level here, which is 104.003 if you are going to trade the H4 chart. Okay, and if you're going to trade the daily chart, then your take profit indicator is the price of the EMA, 104.292. Okay, so in the H4 you have there 102.003, 104.003 if I'm not mistaken, but here you have your EMA 104.200. Okay guys, and our last pair, our last major pair that I will keep track on or monitor, carry over next year, will be the USD yen, one of the major pairs. Okay, as you can see here, the trend is same like the USD Swiss franc. Okay, the price is going down, and if you go to the H4, same thing, the price tested the EMA. Okay, our EMA 50 tested it and went back up. Okay, this is a red candle or a black candle here, and there's a strong probability that the price will go up if ever you want to trade this chart, the H4. So you might have to take your profit here in this support level, which is now the resistance. And if you're going to trade the daily chart, then your take profit will be your EMA. So once it touched the EMA, take the profit if you're on the buy side. Okay, and that's it guys. So thank you very much, and I wish, okay, that your 2021 will be very, very profitable. And for the new traders, okay, keep on studying, okay, and keep on trading. You can trade on demo if you want, okay, to learn whatever you learn. Okay, whatever other people gives like a suggestion to you or gives a strategy to you, or you read on some website or a book that this indicator is good, or you have the best indicator, try it first on the demo account. Okay, and if you are confident enough that the strategy and the indicator really works, okay, and you are profitable on that indicator by trading on your demo account, then trade in the live account. Okay, but always put in mind your risk management and your money management skills, because even without indicators, okay, even without fancy indicators, you're still going to be profitable if you know how to manage your risk. Okay, indicator is like a friend, okay. Life is easier with friends, right? But you will not die if you don't have friends, correct? And it's better if you have a smaller group of friends that are true, right? So like what I'm trying to show you here in my chart, okay? I have a clean chart. I only have what support and resistance level, the zigzag, and the, the, the EMA, okay, exponential moving average, because these are the indicators that I found that are useful enough. But even without this, okay, for example, if I don't have the support and resistance, okay, or the EMA, so I can easily found where my support is or my resistance is. I'll give you an example. For example, here there is a price here, okay, top of that price. So the next price, same area, then I will just draw a line, okay, there, and that will be my resistance. Okay, it's not that much accurate as the one that is, this is an automatic support and resistance level, but as you can see, it's almost the same. Okay, and if I try to enter here, okay, the resistance, for example, I kept it here, okay, like that, and then the price bounce in this area, okay, that will be another one, which is my new resistance. Okay, because my resistance before, I always keep my resistance if the price tested that line or that price, okay, that area of price tested it like 3 to 4 times. So this is a strong resistance. So I could, maybe I will have entered here in this area here. I will enter here. Okay, my stop loss will be above here, and then my take profit is here, maybe 1,000. Yeah, it's 0.5 lots. Okay, guys. So please do not be lazy. Okay, do not be lazy to learn about trading, because trading is really helpful if you want to be financially free, and especially if you are working. Okay, do not resign, keep your job and keep on learning, and then trade also, because this is a good way of having a passive income. Just imagine if you are trading the daily chart and then you have your job, so just input the your buy and sell order, and then just have a look at it on every other 2 days, right? If you're doing your risk management correctly, then after maybe 12 days, after 2 weeks, you will see a profit from that amount, right? If you put your money on a bank, and the bank will give you 3% of your money in 1 year. As you can see on my trade, that is 1 month only, and the capital grow about almost 300%, right? Let's say 250%. That is way better than having your money on the bank. But you need to learn how to trade properly.